find the term independent of x in the expansion, the one that we can see here, this binomial that you see here. So here we have to find the term independent of x, meaning that term which has no x in it. Now one, we don't know the term and we don't know the value that is there. So instead we're going to use the formula for a general term where we have that n choose r is a the power n minus r times b to the power r, like that. So now here we know what n is. Our n is 6. What don't know is r, so we're going to write n 6 choose r. Then our a is 2x. This is raised to the power 6 minus r. Then we multiply with b, which is negative 1 over x squared, then to the power r, like that. Now this will further be 6 choose r, since to know what r is, times, so that one can be split out. We say 2 to multiply with the power, which is 2 raised to the power 6 minus r. Same applies with x, which is x to the power 6 minus r. Then the other one, according to indices, can be written as negative x squared, negative x to the power negative 2 times r. This is from laws of indices. Now this would be 6 choose r to multiply with 2 raised to the power 6 minus r times x raised to the power 6 minus r multiplied by negative x raised to the power negative 2, then we have r, like that. Now these two are the same in terms of the bases, so we are going to add the exponents. We write the other parts the way they are. So this will be, the other one is a negative x, so we're going to get negative x to the power 6 minus r. Then when we add, this one will just be a negative 2 r, like that. Now what happens after this is we write 6 choose r times 2 to the power 6 minus r times, so this will be negative x inside parenthesis 6 minus 3r. Now since here we're told to find the term independent of x, meaning that term is not supposed to have x, meaning we have to look for a way of how to make x disappear. So that is only by raising the power to be a 0 so that it becomes a 1, and in that case x will go. So we're going to set the power for x the way it is to be equal to 0, meaning that in that case we'll solve for r to be negative 3r to be equal to negative 6. Then I'm going to simply have something like dividing both sides by negative 3, giving us the value for r to be equal to 2. Now since our r is known, so we'll have, so this is now the term will be the value of r plus a 1, which is just a third term. So now let's go back to our problem. We have the third term to be equal to 6. This is 6, not 8, sorry. This is 6, so we say 6 choose 2 to multiply with a, which is 2 to the power 6 minus 2, times the other part negative x, which will just be raised to the power 0. As the power that we multiply 2 there, will just get a 6 minus 6 is 0. So 6 choose 2 is giving us a 15. To multiply with, this will be 2 to the power 4. The other one is just a 1. Now this will be 15 multiplied by 16, giving us a 240. So 240 in this case is simply the term independent of x, and this same term which is independent of x, which is a 240, is on position number 3 upon expanding our binomial. So the term is a third term, which gives us a 240 as our answer for this problem. So please, if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so that you're always updated whenever there's a new upload. Thank you very much.